To reach from node number 9 to node number 14, it takes 6 milliseconds. And here also, from 1 to 2, it is 1 millisecond. 2 to 6, it takes 5 milliseconds. 6 to 13, it takes suppose 10 milliseconds. 13 to 14, it takes 1 millisecond. Right. Now you tell me how much time it takes to reach from node number 1 to node number 14. It should be the addition of all those vector values. Means 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means how much? It is 7 milliseconds, right?
7.
What should be the next one?
19.
6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. Okay. Next is
17.
17.
Oh.
So which one is taking lowest amount of time?
First one.
Path 1. Yes,
Yellow, sir.
7 milliseconds.
Yes. So
Yellow.
is the yellow line. Now is this clear, student? LOADng protocol.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in the examination, what you have to do that you have to describe the LOADng protocol with one example. Plus after that, I may give one sample path and the sample architecture. So from that, you need to find out which one is taking the lowest time.
सर उसमें तो सर वो एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक जाने का वो
पाथ वेक्टर आप लोग बैठा देना. You need to find out the lowest path in terms of hop count only. After that, the path vector, I have given some examples. Okay. So अगर यहाँ पे path vector लिखते तो ये और भी complex हो जाता. So you take the path vector and you decide that which path is the lowest path.
Okay.
ठीक है?
सर लोएस्ट टाइम कैसे निकालें एक बार फिर से?
Lowest time के लिए हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Simple thing that 1 से 2 में जाने के लिए कितना टाइम लग रहा है? वो है 1 मिलीसेकंड. 2 से 7 में जाने के लिए 2 मिलीसेकंड. वन रैंडम वैल्यू वी आर पुटिंग. तुम अपनी तरफ से एक रैंडम वैल्यू बैठा दो, कोई भी वैल्यू. अब उसको ऐड करके देखो, जो तुम्हारा सबसे कम टाइम लगेगा, दैट इज द टाइम टू रीच फ्रॉम सोर्स टू डेस्टिनेशन. क्लियर?
Okay.
ओके सर.
दैट वैल्यू यू कैन गिव. अगर एग्जाम में दे देता है तो वो वैल्यू तुमको देना है. फॉर द टाइम बी आई एम ओनली कंसीडरिंग द हॉप काउंट. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to the notes that I have uploaded. Okay, so this is your IoT classes course page. You'll find out all the video lectures. 40 video lectures I have uploaded. Few video lectures that I have recorded in the last semester. So that part also I have uploaded because those classes I have taken in an offline mode for you. Okay. So the later part video lecture, whatever I have taken in online mode, those things also uploaded over here, like the lecture number 12, lecture number 13, lecture number 15. Okay. Now, your job is to, from the first semester, first unit test onwards, whatever has been completed, you have to go through that part. So you can write it down that what should be your syllabus. And after that, if there is any question arises, you can ask me. So today and tomorrow I will discuss those questions. Okay, what are the things we have completed in this after the unit test 1? हम लोग unit test 1 कब लिए थे? मैंने कब लिए थे कब? Which day?
सर 30 को ले
30th March.
30 मार्च. Yes, sir.
Okay, so शायद उस टाइम पे कुछ तुम लोग का छुट्टी था ना?
हाँ सर, वो इलेक्शन था ना.
हाँ, इलेक्शन था.
गाड़ी वगैरह नहीं चला.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
So from April, entire April and middle of May. So that means डेढ़ महीने में हम लोग क्या क्या करा है, IoT कनेक्शन टेक्नोलॉजीज, यू कैन राइट इट डाउन। कनेक्शन टेक्नोलॉजीज में हम लोगों ने क्या क्या किया, IEEE 802.15.4, you can write it down. So those things will be in your syllabus. You can write it down. BPSK, OPSK, CMC, CSMA, CA. Are you writing, students?
सर बीपीएस
sir.
के क्यूपीएस के बाद
सब फिर से बोल लीजिए एक बार।
Okay. So please note it down. IoT connectivity technologies. Noted?
Yes.
Then IEEE 802. Lecture number 12. You can write it down like lecture number 12. Then BPSK, QPSK, and CSMA CA. Noted?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So next is ZigBee, lecture number 15. Noted?
सर
Next is 6LoWPAN. Next is wireless HART. Noted?
Yes, sir.
sir.
बोलो। अच्छा, next is LoadNG protocol. Next, MQTT, Constant Application Protocol, XMPP.
सर ये XMPP मतलब हो गया था बहुत पहले, जैसे यूनिट टेस्ट से पहले हो गया था।
ठीक है, फिर भी रहेगा ये, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मैंने देखा मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स ने आंसर नहीं कर पाया।
हाँ ये सर।
ठीक है। अच्छा, ये तुम्हारा वायरलेस सेंसर नेटवर्क लेक्चर नंबर 22 आई हैव नॉट कवर्ड टिल नाउ, ये अभी तक हुआ नहीं, तो ये तुम लोगों का छोड़ दो, ये करना नहीं है। लेक्चर नंबर 22, 23, 24, दोस पार्ट्स आई हैव नॉट डन, तो ये बाद में कराएंगे, यूनिट टेस्ट 2 के बाद कराएंगे। लेक्चर नंबर 25, दैट इज स्प्रेड स्पेक्ट्रम टेक्नोलॉजीज, FHSS and DSSS, 25 and 26। Noted?
सर 25 26 ये नेसेसरी होगा ना?
हाँ
ये तो चाहिए होगा।
हाँ, बोलो
26
तो मैंने, हाँ 25 26 करना है।
हाँ 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 ठीक है सर।
Next 27, elements of IoT, hardware components, computing Arduino Raspberry Pi.
सर एलिमेंट्स ऑफ आईओटी उसके बाद क्या बोला सर आपने?
Elements, hardware components, Arduino Raspberry Pi. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next is interfacing with Arduino, programming in Arduino. Noted? So interfacing
Yes,
is
sir.
Arduino and programming with Arduino. So this is the total syllabus. So how many topics are there? एक बार देख के बताओ.
13.
13. So 13 topics will be there. So within this Arduino also write it down. This case studies will be given to you. That means one problem will be given to you. You have to draw the circuit diagram as well as the program. In case of Arduino, you have to draw the circuit diagram as well as the program also.
सर टिंकरकैड में ना कॉपी में सर?
नहीं कॉपी में लिखना है. तुम लोग टिंकरकैड चाहे तो यूज कर सकते हो, बट हाँ टिंकरकैड
तो पूरा सर्किट कैसे बनाएंगे, मतलब कॉपी में ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा पूरा?
नहीं ड्रॉ मींस तुमको सर्किट ऐसे थोड़ी ब्रेडबोर्ड या आर्डिनो ड्रॉ करना है. तुम एक ब्लॉक डायग्राम कर दोगे. दिस वन इज आर्डिनो.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है.
और जो पिन में कनेक्ट हो रहा है वो पिन का नाम है सर?
हाँ, पिन का नंबर देना है. 1 to 0 to 14 तक पिन का नंबर दोगे. आफ्टर दैट यू मेंशन दैट व्हिच पिन इज वर्किंग फॉर दैट वन.
ठीक है सर. सर कितना मार्क्स का एग्जाम होगा?
30 मार्क्स का.
ठीक है सर.
कोई क्वेश्चन है? एनी क्वेश्चन?
सर ऐसे स्क्रीनशॉट देके वो पीडीएफ में डाल देने से होगा ना सर? जो टिंकरकैड में वो जो सर्किट डायग्राम और वो प्रोग्राम लिखकर
नहीं, वो
स्क्रीनशॉट.
सर्किट डायग्राम तुम लोगों को खुद से ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि एग्जाम के टाइम पे तो तुम वो ऑफलाइन एग्जाम होगा. उस टाइम पे तो तुम स्क्रीनशॉट कैसे डालोगे? बिकॉज यू नीड टू नो हाउ टू ड्रॉ द सर्किट आल्सो.
ओ ठीक है सर.
Okay, so if there is any question regarding this topic, one thing is that you please go through today, and if there any question arises, you can ask tomorrow. Tomorrow is the first period here class, or you can ask me right now also if there is any question. So I am ready to explain all those things. Okay. आज देख के
सर लोड एनजी को,
हाँ लोड एनजी.
सर लोड एनजी प्रोटोकॉल थोड़ा फिर से समझा दीजिए, वाला थ्योरी वाला पार्ट.
फिर से समझाना है. ओके फाइन, ठीक है. So in case of LoadNG protocol, what they do that the source tries to find out the destination to send its packet, because it is not like that the source will be always in a position to send its packet. Okay, now source doesn't know where my packet is. So what it does that first it sends to the packet to its neighbor. Now the neighbor will check that it has come to, if it is coming from it, and at the time of sending the packet, suppose whenever they are sending the packet, they will write 1. Means that I am sending it to my neighbor with 1 hopping. Now neighbor will check that okay, so it has come from my neighbor with 1 hopping only. Now this node will send this packet to their neighbor. Means that this node will send this packet to this node and this node. Similarly, this node will send this packet to this node only. Okay. Now, whenever it will send the packet, it will remove the value 1. It will give a new value 2. Here also, it will give a new value 2. 2 means it is the
Hop count 2.
hop count of the number. In this way, it will again send it to its neighbor. The neighbor will check that if from more than 1 node I am receiving the packet, so that case, in which cases the hop count number is low, I should consider that one only. So in this way, it will reach the destination. Now destination will receive the same packet which has been sent by the source with the different hop count number. Now, whenever it will check that the lowest hop count number, it will first select the lowest hop count number. Suppose in the last example, we find out that the lowest hop count number is 4, and it has come from 3 different routes with the same hop count number. So that case, it will check that चेक करने का कुछ नहीं है, एक पैकेट पहले आएगा, दूसरा पैकेट बाद में आएगा, तीसरा पैकेट और भी बाद में आएगा. So with the packet which I received first, I will consider that path only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the procedure. Now, whenever they are sending this packet, they are calling it as the request packet. And whenever the destination, after receiving the path packets from different sources, destination will identify which path will be the shortest one. Then destination will return back the packet with a request response or the request acknowledgement packet. So destination will send the response with a request acknowledgement packet now to the shortest path one. So in this way, the shortest path will be established. Now, when the shortest path will be established, now source will always send the packet from source to destination to the shortest path. Now, it is not like that the source to destination, the shortest path will always remain same. Why? Because sometimes it happens that अभी जो ये network है, बीच में कोई भी node तुम्हारा dormant हो सकता है, its battery got finished, ये node बंद हो गया. So फिर shall I consider the same path once again? It is not possible. Some of the node may not respond properly. So that case, I have to run the algorithm after every certain period of time to check that whether whatever be the shortest path I have chosen, whether this path still remains or not. If this path doesn't still remain, that case I have to change the path. एक बार पाथ मैंने सिलेक्ट कर लिया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है जिंदगी भर वही पाथ में हम लोग चलाते रहेंगे, जिंदगी भर वही पाथ चलेगा, पाथ चेंज हो सकता है. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So please study the entire topic. So please note it down, whatever the doubts arises, and please discuss it tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll discuss it in detail.